Welcome! It's me, Matt, here for the first assembly video for Prestige World Wood. So this is the barrel end table, and what you're going to get in the package is 3 of the metal barrel rings that are all numbered around the sides for where the legs go. You'll see the same numbers on the barrel head. It's nice, isn't it? So you got the numbers on there and on the legs, so we'll line those up. And if you can do this faster than me, then well, you're better than me. So we'll go ahead and get started with you get the first ring. The smallest one is the one that you're going to start with. You go ahead and line up the numbers on the barrel head with the ring, set it over the top. Make sure you put the barrel head on something that's not going to scratch the real nice stuff on the other side. I'm going to use, we got 5/16 screws that we're going to use. So you'll need a 5/16 nut driver, and that's really the only tool you need besides your brain. All right, so we're going to line them up, and the best way to do this is get them lined up, lift it, and drop it into the ring, and they're going to get tighter as we move along here. All right, so we'll throw that one in, screw it in for good measure. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. That tightens her right up. All right, so working around, do number 1 second. Get the rest of them in there before it gets too tight, because the compression is what holds the barrel head on. Scoot over the edge here and give it a little push. We'll get it over the lip. Make sure the holes are lined up. And scoot it in place, and then we can screw the other 3 legs on there. I need to scooch a little bit just to make sure the holes are lined up. All right, that's the first one. And then we'll grab the second biggest ring, the ring thing, and we'll line up the numbers on that also. And once we get it around all the legs, get the first nut in there, and that's what's gonna hold it still. Although, I want to go from the bottom. there too tight because you don't want to rip the threads out of the wood. That would be unfortunate. The last ring then, make sure it is also lined up, and this one is in the wrong spot. All right, well, that explains a lot. About why that last one was a little bit tighter than it needed to be. So, tricked you. Make sure you do what I say, not what I do. We'll get that down. Second ring where it's supposed to be. Show you that's how easy it is when it goes on there the right way. A lot of people complain about how perfect I am, but here's a little look behind the curtain. Alright. Now, we'll get that last and final ring. Get that put into place. Alright. And there you have it. Easy day. And I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Even though they are different sizes, I'm going to label those too. So, if you can do it faster than me, then that shouldn't be that hard at this point. So, good luck, and we'll see you later. There she is.